In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your shipping notification email in Shopify seamlessly. So, if you've been looking to customize the email your customers receive when their orders are on the way, you're in the right place. I'll guide you through this process from start to finish, ensuring you understand each step clearly. First, let's make our way to the Shopify admin dashboard. If you're new to Shopify, this dashboard is where you'll manage all aspects of your store, from tracking sales to managing inventory. Once you're here, you need to locate the Settings option. You'll find this in the bottom left corner of your screen, represented by a gear icon. Go ahead and click on that. Next, you'll see a variety of settings options that help you manage different facets of your store. Here, we want to look for notifications. By clicking on Notifications, you're entering the area where you can manage all the alerts and messages sent out to your customers. This is a crucial section because it determines how you communicate with your customers during different phases of their order process. Now, after selecting Notifications, there's another critical section we need to focus on: Customer Notifications. This is where all the emails related to customer interactions are set up. Scroll through until you find the section titled Shipping Updates. This part is important because it specifically deals with how you notify customers about the status of their shipping. Once you've reached the Shipping Updates area, click on the Shipping Update option. This action takes you directly to the template of your Shipping Update email. This email plays a key role in reassuring your customers, letting them know that their order is on its way. Now, if you decide you want to make any changes to the content or appearance of this email, Shopify gives you a straightforward way to do so. Look for the Edit Code button, which will allow you to customize the email template. It's worth noting that understanding a bit of HTML or Liquid, which is Shopify's templating language, can be particularly helpful here. However, even if you're not a coding wizard, many of the edits are intuitive and can be made with a bit of trial and error. This level of customization lets you add your brand's voice and personality to your emails, enhancing customer experience in the process. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through updating your shipping notification email in Shopify. By following these steps, you'll ensure your customers get updates that not only keep them informed, but also reflect your brand's unique style. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide was helpful in enhancing your Shopify store's customer communication.